Jesus Christ, I got a glimpse of this. I got a glimpse of this. Oh, what is that? What is this? Ah! I'm so glad I started digging holes around here. Look at that. Oh, it's a lion. Is it? Or an elephant? I think it's an elephant. Oh my god. What a cracker of a find, lads. Oh my god. Absolutely unbelievable. There's still traces of all the gold gilding that would have been on it. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning.